Wow. This is nice. Oh. Ang galing nung ano natin tour guide. Ang gaganda ng pictures. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay.
This is my culture.
Yeah.
This is God.
Oh. Go sing it for us. Rio,
We have to clean with hot water until very clean.
This is the most expensive coffee in the world, right? Masisaya.
맛있어요?
Luwak coffee, put coffee dyan. Shucks guys, look at the road.
Next pose.
Expectation versus
Next pose.
reality guys. Okay lang din naman mag-solo flip. You'll meet new people along the way. Okay, and Bali is nice. The people are nice. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Good morning from Bali. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler, and tayo po ay nagso-solo adventure dito sa Bali. It is our first time here. And for today's video, nag-book tayo ng Bali Instagram tour via Klook. Okay, kung mag-book kayo ng activities, kapag kayo ay magta-travel abroad or sa Pilipinas, book your activities via Klook or hotel. Ito yung hotel namin. Ayan. So ano siya, pinipick up ako. So you can get discount 5% sa hotel kung gamitin yung promo code ko, Dave Kino, tapos 3% off sa inyong mga activities, okay? So, ayun, pupunta tayo sa Ubud. So, I think it's in the heart of ano talaga, Bali. Hindi siya yung mga, beaches, it's the mountains yung pupuntahan natin today. Yung mga Instagrammable na mga destinations here in Bali. So, yeah, I can't wait to explore more and know the culture of Bali. So, mag-isa lang tayo. Used kasi ako nakasama yung friends and family. But it's different now that I am alone. So, ano naman siya? Liberating. My sense of independence. Ganon. Alright. Second pick up. Medyo nakatulog ako. Sa Noor. Why do you have so many statues like that?
This is God.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we Hindu, we making many statue.
Okay.
Every house, every street.
Every house you
every
have.
house, every street. Because this is
Okay.
symbolism of my culture.
Alright.
Yeah.
Symbol of your culture.
Yeah.
Okay guys, morning, dami kong natututunan. So, there's a lot of figures here. Every house, there are figures. Just like that. Like that, right? Those are figures of God.
Yeah, this is temple.
It's a temple.
Yes, the temple.
And apparently in Ubud, you cannot build like buildings more than 3 stories. Because it's a form of respect sa mga temples dito. Because Ubud is the cultural center in Bali. But in Seminyak, since malapit daw sa beach, and malayo naman sa temple, pwede umabot ng hanggang like more than 3 floors. Okay, yeah, inuulan pa tayo.
I little English.
Chogum. Chogum. It's okay, it's okay. What's your name?
Shine.
Shine.
You Ribo.
Dave. Shine.
Yogi.
So you speak Korean?
I don't speak Korean.
Very well.
Sabi niya anyong lang sa...
Anyong,
I thought you
true.
only said anyo haseyo.
Yogi.
Martha.
Marta. Mel. Wow. This is nice. So this is our first stop. The Rice Terraces. What is the name of these Rice Terraces? Tagalalang. Wow, Debak. Yepo. Debak. This is nice. So Ubud is really for the peace.
Ubud is natural place.
Is what?
Green place.
Green place. Yeah.
place.
The nature.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice here. Careful.
Thank you.
Choshime, correct? Choshime. Oh.
Careful!
Oh my goodness. Ang galing nung ano natin tour guide. Ang gaganda ng pictures. Tapos ang gaganda ng video. Grabe. Ayan, may ano pa siya, pa-direction pa siya, o, diba? Diba? I love you, Marta. You are so good. Ang ganda. I think I like this little life. Half Korean, half Indonesian tong si Marta. Kanina pa siya Korean. Na, dul, set.
Marami na siguro siya na
Taro na Koreans na tourist.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
This is nice. Araso is okay. Arasoyo is okay with respect.
Oh yeah.
Yo. Arasoyo.
Oh,
Ay.
어떻게 하지?
Otoke.
Oh, very great.
Oh, very. What is otoke haji?
Oh,
Oh, otoke haji?
oh, 어떻게 하지?
How? Otoke. Okay. You told us you don't know Korean, but you know a lot. I'm learning from you. Whoa, that's nice. Debak. Wow. It's raining again. So where's our next stop? Limpuya? Coffee?
After here, after coffee, waterfall.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Waterfall, Lampuya.
Alright. So coffee next. Alright. So yung Tagalalang Rice Terraces, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay. So pinuntan natin yung isang UNESCO World Heritage Site.
expensive compared.
Not that expensive.
This is mura.
Mura. Is
Normal price.
normal price. Yeah.
Compared in the mall.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Satria. So it's a coffee plantation.
No
Coffee
shop.
plantation.
No shop.
No shop. Just a plantation.
We have shop. I mean no shop.
Okay.
Like in the mall.
Not in the mall.
This is expensive.
So this is cheaper versus the ones in the mall.
Yeah.
And Luwak coffee is the most expensive coffee in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the most expensive
And then-
one. You buy in the farm.
The price little bit cheaper.
Cheaper.
Yeah, you get
Cheaper.
it cheaper.
Yes.
Many fruit here.
Many fruits as well, not just coffee. So are this coffee?
This one.
Coffee.
Coffee. This
Coffee beans.
Coffee beans?
coffee bean.
Not coffee fruit. Not
This
Robusta coffee.
And this one the Bali coffee.
The Bali coffee.
Because you look it's different. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
small.
Yeah, this small. So these are coffee.
This is Robusta.
This is Bali coffee.
This is Bali coffee.
Robusta.
Robusta.
Mangosteen. Then coffee.
This is ginger.
Ginger?
Tea.
Tea. The red, it's delicious.
Yeah.
So
Sweet,
sweet.
right?
Dragon fruit. Yeah, I like dragon fruit. Ayan, I think may ano dito. Sample. Look. The luwak.
just one in
Mahal
this
yan.
cage.
Yung
We have
pag...
many, but
So-
in this cage only.
Their poop,
They cook
the coffee. Their poop.
First, and then let the poop, and then you take.
Yeah,
And then we wash.
Okay.
In the process, we
happens there.
Hello. I think he's resting.
It becomes tastier if they eat it.
They what?
The coffee becomes tastier.
What is goyangi cat? Goyangi cat. Goyangi. Gyo. Gyo un goyangi. Gyo.
Cute cat.
Cute cat.
Young goyangi.
Giyong goyangi.
Gyong
Giyong goyangi.
goyangi. Oh, Korean lessons. This is nice. Vanilla. The chocolate, cacao.
chocolate. This is, we have Bali coffee, regular coffee. We have two type kind of bean, male and female. Male bean like single bean, female like twin bean.
Twin bean?
Taste male bean more stronger taste than female. Yeah. So we have to clean with hot water until very clean,
luwak.
and then we dry by sun until like that.
Okay, you really clean it.
Finish we dry, we remove the skin, and then we roasting the seed inside. If you try kopi luwak, don't worry, don't thinking about the poo. We clean already. Yeah.
That's the last process.
This coffee ready for use. Just put it
Okay.
Sifted coffee.
We can already
this one ready for use.
drink that. So that's how they roast the coffee. Is it coffee luwak? Coffee luwak? Bali coffee. Okay. So yung roasting, it takes 40 minutes to finish that. Tapos si ate lang talagang gumagawa. Photo bomber.
Araso?
Araso? Who is Nomo? Araso? Favorite, your favorite word, araso. No, Nomo yepoyo. Very beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful.
Have complimentary, yeah? I would like to explain. It's okay. Yes. I put according to picture to be explained, yeah?
Okay.
This is we have rosella
guys.
tea, good for blood circulation, rosella. And ginger tea, good for sore throat and stomach problem. Rice tea, good for the bones, very high calcium.
Tasting natin.
Tasty.
Tasty, yeah. Tasty.
Tasting. So this is
Ay, hindi.
free.
Mabigat. It's heavy.
Oh my gosh, the cocoa. So it is straight from the coffee plantation. Wow. Debak. Delish. Mashisoyo.
Oh, 그래요? Very sweet.
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 Sweet. This one. Sweet tea.
This one too. Tasty.
Tasty. Saffron?
Yeah.
Saffron. This is cocoa.
A little spicy.
Spicy.
Tasty.
Thank you. The tea. Delish. The coffee luwak. Coffee luwak. This is the most expensive coffee in the world, right? And one of the most delicious. Yeah, because the processing is too hard, right, to process, difficult, and takes time to process this. You need cats.
You need
The
sugar
civet
for your
cats.
coffee?
Sorry?
You need some
Sugar. Oh, can we ask for sugar? 맛있어요.
맛있어요?
Yeah.
고소해요.
What is gusuyo?
고소해요. 잠깐만.
She's trying the luwak coffee. So the poop coffee. Kapumusta?
No, ang sarap.
Sarap. Oh my god, I should try this already.
고소해요.
Gusuyo. Savory. Okay, savory. Okay.
Very savory.
Savory. Okay. May I try this one too? It's bitter. Bitter. So this is coming from the poop of the animal. Tung goyangi. Goyangi na.
Ang goyangi.
Tung goyangi. Am I right?
Ang goyangi.
My Korean is right. Tung goyangi. Tung goyangi.
똥.
Goyangi tung.
Yeah.
The cat's poop.
Civet cat. The luwak.
This is worth 50,000 IDR. We pay now or we pay there?
Later, after this, you can pay.
Okay.
After you finish.
Okay.
55,000.
55,000.
Ang goyangi.
너무 좋아.
In Balinese, what is I like it?
Yang demen.
Iyang damun. Iyang damun. What is delicious?
Enak.
Ena.
Jan.
Jaon? Jaon. Delicious. Jaon. Luwak coffee, poop coffee, jaon. Is it funny? Wait.
No, it's a real.
Oh, is it?
Jaon.
Jaon.
It's a good.
Like. Ako ito na ngomong Bali, oh.
Jaon.
Jaon.
Speak Tagalog, yeah?
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Gusto, masarap. Masarap talaga. We tried the most expensive coffee in the world. So around 200 pesos yung isang cup. So okay na, mura na, 'di ba? Kasi nandito tayo sa plantation talaga eh. And bitter. Hindi naman ako makapeng tao. So for the experience lang talaga na matry siya. Yung poop coffee. And then here, Then sa plantation, meron din mga pampasalubong. Ayun. Masasarap yung kape dito, tapos yung mga tea. Alright, so kahit hindi kayo coffee lover, ma-appreciate nyo talaga siya. So finally, we tasted, it's a bucket list, we were able to taste the Poop coffee. Thank you. The Poop coffee, the most expensive coffee in the world. And bitter siya. So it's a bucket list unlocked. Ayan, umuulan. Pero lace lang naman ang umuulan. It's a vibe. Punta na tayo sa next stop natin. I thought you do not know Korean, but you sing Korean. Sarangheyo, nangareyo. You know that song too? Descendants of the Sun. Oh, maybe we can just kidding. Korean OST. You watch?
Singing for us.
Yeah, you're singing for us. Oh, diba? Descendants of the Sun, right? You watch Korean dramas, you know that.
Actor, we know actor.
I know actor. Okay, you were just pretending earlier that you do not know Korean. But you know, oops, okay, we're on the right lane. Go, go, go. Sing it for us. Leo, Leo. He knows the lyrics. Iso? Iso.
Yeah.
What was the meaning of that?
Because you, I live.
Oh, because of you, I live.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so meaningful. I like your playlist today.
Don't cry.
Don't cry. Uljimayo. Uljimayo. You are my everything. Yeah. Martha, don't cry. Are you crying? Don't cry. Hirama moment in Bali.
Sad my
heart.
was LDR.
LDR, long distance relationship. Yeah, it's okay. You have us. You have us. Nakakaloka, sound trip talaga kami ng Korean dun. Oh my gosh.
Buffet.
I'm not sure if it's buffet. Wow. Yep po. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful.
We have few mountain, but still cloudy.
Okay,
Cannot
still
see.
cloudy.
Downstairs we
Wow.
rice field.
Is that the same rice field? No. Earlier? No, right?
No different.
So this is our lunch. It's buffet style, which is nice because I'm so hungry. I wasn't able to take my breakfast. And look, very nice view. Oh. So these are the Indonesian food here. Fried noodles. And there's soup.
Photography school.
Photography school. Okay, thank you. Sarap ng food, no? I mean, mashisoyo. The food. Mashisoyo. Yeah. And Shinhee, you've been to different area, but your best one is in Ubud, right? The best one. Because of the people. And because of the view, the nature. Nice. Grabe, no? Kumakain ka, tas ganyan yung view mo. Grabe, Ubud. You're so beautiful. Bali. Actually guys, umulan talaga today. Like, pero na-enjoy ko siya kasi iba yung vibe nung umuulan. I'm saying it rained. It rained. But I loved actually. I love the rain because it's a different vibe. The rain. Relaxing. Calming, the rain. Wow. So your favorite is Itaewon.
Oh, yeah.
And then let's promise again. When we go there, you'll
Yeah.
bring me to Itaewon. Promise. Yakso.
와야 돼, 약속.
Yakso. Itaewon.
이태원에서 만나?
Mana?
만나.
What is
Meet.
mana?
Meet is-
Meet. Mana. Mana soban kapsimnida.
오, 야, 그렇지.
신이.
House meet you 할 때 meet.
Yes, meet. Mana. We'll meet in Itaewon.
Yeah.
October.
아,
Okay.
promise.
Promise. Yakso. Okay. May kaparty na tayo guys pagbalik natin ng Korea. You're gonna bring your
Oh.
namjasingdu.
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. Okay, opso.
Unlabeled pa sila.
Unlabeled. No label. No label. Opso. Good food. Sarap. So, around 600 plus, 650 yung kinain natin dito. And sulit siya as in. Buffet. Diba? Mura niya for a buffet. Sarap. Lalo na yung dessert na. Road trip talaga. Ta sound trip. Beautiful life. I know this song. Beautiful life. Goblin. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at the road. The road. It's flooded. Love. Oh, toke. Ay go. Shucks guys. Look at the road. It's flooded. Oh. Ay go. Magkansana. Magkansana yun. Dominjunsi. You are the one I love. Dominjunsi. Kachima. The rain. Oh my goodness. So hard. Raining so hard. Nandito na tayo sa may Limpuyang Temple guys. And we have to pay for the shuttle paakyat. So sa Bali Instagram tour, kasama na yung entrance. Pero yung shuttle hindi. Grabe, saludo ako sa driver talaga natin sa pagdadrive. Wild. Right. So there are rules in the temple. So no raising of the feet. And sarong is compulsory. Alright, bawal yung nagme-menstruate. And we have to, before enter, all visitors have to purity by holy water. Ayan, sinashuttle papakyat guys. And then here, pinagsuot tayo ng sarong kasi bawal pumasok ng hindi nakasarong.
Anong tawag dito?
Sarong. Pali. Kensa na? Yo! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, the rain! Grabe! This is a sacrifice. Okay. So we made it to Limpuyang Temple. So usually daw yung pila dito inaabot ng 3 hours. But because it's raining around, this line is around 1 hour, right? Or less? Less 1 hour. Because there's few people versus the other days. Kasi umuulan naman talaga. So Limpuyang Temple, this is one of the oldest temples and one of the most respected na temples here in Bali. And it's the highest temple here in Bali. Ayan, lagi tong pinipilahan guys. So alam niyo yung yung pictures na parang may reflection ng tubig. Guys, it's just mirror. So walang tubig guys ha, walang tubig. Ano lang, mirror. Walang body of water dyan.
No waiting line.
No waiting line?
If you want?
Oh, do you want to picture? Okay. So dito pa lang guys, habang naghihintay, i-search nyo na yung mga poses at i-practice nyo na para kasi mabilisan lang eh. Okay, search nyo na yung mga pose ninyo. Kung nakikita nyo yung mga photo sa Instagram, diba may tubig kumbaga dyan, but no, mirror lang yung gamit nila. So kailangan mag-practice muna kayo ng mga pose ninyo dito para at least pagpunta doon, ready na kayo. Okay?
Next pose.
Expectation versus
Next pose.
reality, guys. No water here in Limpuyang Temple. Ang ganda ng poses niya.
Okay.
Wow. We did it. So, we post like, ilang post ba yun? 5 to 6 poses. So, dapat dito pinapractice pa lang. Nakaka-pressure kasi may mga nanonood talaga. How's the experience, Shini? Yes, you got great photos. Good photos. Yeah. Ayan. So yung temple daw talaga ay nasa loob. So we're not allowed to enter. That's for praying only. Sacred. Sacred temple. So tip, so that you'll not fall in line, just wait for the rain. Just, yeah, pro tip. So you'll not line up for 3 hours. Just check the weather. If it rains the next day, then go to the next day. Okay. So this is also called the Gates of Heaven, guys. Nagpapago. May AC? Wow! Yepo! Beautiful!
Thank you.
Yeah,
My
that's
picture.
nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Very good photographer.
One more. One video or no? Yes. Last trip.
Go.
Next number, 23. 223.
Turn around. Look a few. Right, left.
Video satu-satu ya. Ya. Oke. Video kita punta. Sorry.
Oh, grabe today, buwis buhay. And yung tour talaga natin, inulan talaga tayo the whole day except for yung sa una natin, yung Rice Terraces na UNESCO World Heritage Site. So I super enjoyed this Bali Instagram tour. I-book nyo to sa Klook, guys. And sana si Marta yung matapat sa inyo kasi bait, super fun to be with. Ang nice. Ayun, not correct. I'm ending my vlog here. Thank you, Marta. I'm telling them if they book via Klook, I hope the tour guide will be you.
Thank you.
Yeah, because it's fun. Even if it's raining, it has been fun. It's a different vibe. It rained. Hello.
Vlogger.
Yeah, it's nice here. Basta, ganda. Very true yung Bali Instagram tour kasi very Instagrammable lahat ng napuntahan natin. So, ayun. Solo trip tayo but we met new friends, okay? May pupuntan tayo sa Korea. Ayan, nakikensya-kensya na sila sa likod. Ayan. Kensya na yun. Diba? Ay. So, kung kayo magbabali talaga, guys, okay lang din naman mag-solo trip. You'll meet new people along the way. Okay? And Bali is nice. The people are nice. So, this is Dave, guys. The Kuriko Traveler. Ilang araw pa tayo dito. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!